Hello, you're looking at a 2002 Mercury Cougar, getting ready to go to the dent shop in preparation to go to the paint shop. So just going to do a quick walk around of the car. I have made a few little notes. As you can see, there's a little green marking right there where I see a door ding, and of course obviously this area here is pretty bad. We'll see what the dent shop can do before it goes to the paint shop, but everything's been stripped off of it for the most part, and it should be a good basis to work with. Those fenders on the front are new, so that's why they're unpainted, and the car is seems to be driving okay, and I'm getting ready to make this happen. I have a whole new front clip, so that will be completely new. That's why it's not included. It'll go to the paint shop, but frame is straightened out, and it's pretty much ready to go. So on the inside, it's looking pretty good. Everything's functional, and I also removed some of the rear cavity area trim so that it's easier for the dent guy to use to work around if he needs to. But everything's out, so it won't be painted, and we'll put it all back in. Everything's cleaned up and ready to go back in. So anyway, just wanted to do that quick little update for you, and just another part of the journey here. Let's get the passenger door. I'm going to go back with the original white, of course. It's the easiest thing to do, and probably the most efficient. So we're not going to change any paint colors or anything like that. But I have a number of new trim pieces for the inside, so once it gets painted, it'll look pretty good on the inside as well as the outside. Okay, well, that's it for this update of the 2002 Mercury Cougar, and stand by for more as we proceed further. Go to the dent shop first, and then to the body shop, and then we'll have something to look at. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.